to Lewis Tourist Videos. This is the, you're entering, we just made a quick stop at the largest truck stop in the world. Seriously, it is.
Oh, they got a giant Pac-Man machine in there.
Oh, sweet. So this is literally the largest truck stop in the world. And I can definitely tell, if I were a trucker, I'd want to stop here. Got like a mini mart, like 20 different fast food places. Hey, Clay. It's pretty sweet in here. See down there.
I might have to get some meat sticks. Wait, what? Meat sticks.
Got like a, yeah, you got like a DQ and coffee and bagels. Pizza Hut, Wendy's, and then you got just like a little mini mart over there. So it is pretty cool in here.
That's a taste of the truck museum.
That's the what?
Oh, advertising the truck museum.
Truck museum, yeah.
True. Yeah, they really got.
This place is pretty big.
They really got quite the place in here. And Jeffrey here, who used to be a trucker, stop here. You said you stopped here before?
Yes.
Yeah. So, pretty cool in here. Restaurante. Oh my gosh, it's like never ending. I thought like this was it.
4 floors.
And then it's like multiple floors, I swear.
Yeah, I like the
There are more floors.
showers, theater, dentist, public, laundry, chiropractor.
Oh my god. It really is. A little green man or something. Oops, sorry. Mannequin. Please do not sit in Jeep. Okay. I already got the Christmas stuff up, although I guess I shouldn't really be criticizing that if, you know, I am listening to Christmas music already. I'm dreaming of a white
Oh yeah, that's the
Christmas.
buffet place. Buffet.
The buffet. The Buffett. Jimmy Buffett.
Go green.
What?
Going to the game?
Yep.
Yeah, that's where we're heading. We're
Awesome.
gonna take some touring around today, though.
Yeah, that's what we're doing, man. Just go checking everything out.
Yeah, there's a lot. We're going up to the frying pan after this.
All right.
The big Iowa frying pan.
That's
Yeah, you know, we figure we collect Griswold tour, right?
Yeah.
I'll probably see you at the game.
Yes, sir.
You too.
This place is insane. Oh my gosh. Just look at that. Look at all this stuff they've got. 3rd floor, they have 3? They have 3 of these things? Like, oh my gosh.
I kind of feel like you could spend several hours here if you
You
wanted
kind
to.
of could, yeah. You could at least spend 1 hour in here.
No, that's a. No, we're just enjoying all the scenery.
You got time to kill. We got a museum across the street. Don't
Yeah.
look on that block.
Oh, I was gonna say I didn't look open when we came through, but. Yeah, you too.
This is pretty funny in here. Like, it's almost like it's so big that, oh, boo, boo, boo. Michigan. Also, boo. Boo.
Right, pick out the souvenir you want.
Souvenir. I don't know.
Well, it should be something
Yeah,
like that.
that's something. Out of Lions mug.
Those are on the shelf for a while. Oh yeah. Meteorology, world map, the Earth, everything. Foot care,
Oh my gosh.
dog care.
Hope for the heart. Confrontation. Today now. Reconciliation. Grief. Self-worth. Trials. Envy and jealousy. Forgiveness. You got a bunch of stuff in here. Well, I didn't even see that. Like, I thought that was just like a mural. It's like a big truck. This is pretty sweet.
Don't worry, we didn't forget about the upper back. Its control is located right next
Ooh, a penny. And it's tails. It's on the tail side, so I'll leave it.
Laminated
Oh,
pages.
nice. Motor carriers. Oh, it's like practically laminated too. I can't tell what like the material is, if that's lamination or what. I'll have to have you send some of like the pictures that you took. Like I can take some on here, but like it's not very wide. Oh my
Check
god.
out the
You've got like
out,
wow. For some reason I could just picture somebody saying, I know,
we got the Yosemite Sam Walcott.
I'm gonna build the world's largest truck stop. Back off.
Okay, see, are you still recording?
Yeah.
I was gonna say when you're ready to stop, I'll have you take my picture with those because I used to have an air freshener.
Oh. Back off.
Take that and send it to mom.
Alright. Truck over there. Got everything all lit up over here. Nice. I feel like this causes a seizure or something. America. Yeah. Nice. Flashing lights over here. It's like truck Christmas. Here goes my dad's phone again. Probably someone from work. So that is pretty cool. Showroom. Super truck showroom, huh? It's like, yeah. Got a truck there. Truck this. Truck. And truck that. Wait, it actually rotates? Oh, sweet. Oh, nice. I didn't even notice that. Oh, that's sweet. Very, very slowly. I didn't even notice, yeah, that it was like literally kind of rotating a little bit. I know, that's what I said. Like, I didn't even, like, notice it. See if you can notice it changing. Feels about like it's moving as slowly as the cruise ship first takes off, like, and we're moving. I can't feel anything. Please do not climb on deck. Okay, I will not climb on deck. Yeah. All the trucks out there too. Truck, yeah. You know, I'm just gonna keep making truck puns. They say do not climb on the back, but does it apply to the front? Probably. I won't risk it. This is pretty cool though. I just gotta step up here for just a second. Oh, that's awesome, man. That's cool. This is so trucking awesome. I'm just gonna...
Yeah, you're into the high six figures at some of those points, I'm sure.
That's cool. So they said do not climb on the back. But do they mean do not climb?
I think
on
they
the
don't
flange?
mean climb on anything.
Well, I briefly stepped up on that one step there, but I didn't climb into the truck or anything. That would be so trucking embarrassing if I had to deal with somebody yelling at me. But don't fall. But don't fall. Yeah, so like the floor actually moves. Man, that's cool. But yeah, they got like a whole showroom in here practically. Man. Oversized road. Looks like this is like actually a like kind of like a little store area almost. This is pretty awesome. If I were a trucker, this would be like heaven, honestly, or almost heaven, like West Virginia. Anyway, I'm sure there's probably more to see to this too, because you know, this is the world's largest truck stop, but my dad does want me to get a picture of him by whatever air freshener that was, or air freshener symbol or something like that. So anyway, we'll be back probably with another video very soon, in a few minutes here on Lewis Tours videos from the world's largest truck stop.